Hi guys, Aikeniki here. Welcome back to this channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And today we're going to talk about product empty. So products that I love and don't love. But basically, product empty. So I think I finished them all, so I guess I love them. Okay, so let's start off with, let's start off with this Eucerin Dermatoclean 3-in-1. So as you can see, ubos, ano na lang to siya guys, bubbles, and wala na siya, as in, this is my current cleanser. This is super mild, and even though if I'm having that Misaki Rejuvenating Set, hindi siya mahapdi talaga sa aking face, and then it really helps a lot kasi I always double cleanse, especially makeup tutorials. And by the way guys, I have a makeup tutorial for this. I'm going to place it in the link. Okay, sa mga K-pop dyan, alam niyo na kung sino ito. You can guess. And meron lang na iba dito sa hair ko, but basically the eye makeup, and alam niyo na to kung sino. Guess what? Okay, hindi joke, totoo talagang meron akong tutorial nito. Check the description box or sa screen. And okay, going back, yun na nga guys, yung Eucerin Dermatoclean. Ang mild nito, and bigay to ng cousin ko and auntie ko pala, and it's super useful to me. And this one is bigay ng cousin ko. This is really helpful, especially during the times na nagpupunta ako ng mga events. If I just need a hair na parang blow dry, tapos meron siyang a little bit of hold sa hair ko, ito yung ginagamit ko parate. At ano siya, got to be air dry, parang air dry spray. But then for me, it's mild hold na spray net, pero hindi siya spray net kasi mousse siya guys. Pag ano na siya, parang foamy, and then ilagay mo lang siya sa hair mo, and then it will stay in place. Hindi siya yung tipong, yung parang masakit pag ganun. Suwabe lang, pero intact na intact yung hair mo. At saka soft siya, hindi siya parang fake na tingnan na parang plakado, natural. So next, ito naman, itong powder na to, ang ginawa kong pang daily. Super ganda nito guys. Unfortunately, hindi naman talaga siya, na-empty siya kasi nahulog. Pero konti lang naman yung natira, and then nahulog siya kasi malikot yung mga kids ko. And then, wala na. Bam! So, ito yung Manhattan Clear Face Compact Powder. Yes, I super love this on a daily basis. And another, yung mga concealer ko na wala na. Nilagay ko kasi sila sa pouch para madali na tayo. So, next is mga concealer. Ito yung beige na concealer. Wala na talaga to. At ito naman yung Sand from Maybelline. Ito sa LA Girl. Ginagamit ko to sa pag-clean ng brow area. And ito naman, ginagamit ko tong highlight and concealer. This is very good for morenas or skin tone like me. And concealer. Favorite ko talaga tong Maybelline. Meron kasi akong bago na Maybelline. Yan. Pero sa mga clients ko, yun ang ginagamit ko. And then, ito, hala, nung nangyari, yung mga powder ng Manhattan powder. Okay. Not good. Okay, so sa ating brows, ang parati ko talagang ginagamit is yung itong dalawang product na to. At saka yung ito, empties na talaga to, yung ito the house, alam niyo naman na favorite ko to. And then second na favorite ko is yung Careline brow liner, which is undertone. Wala na talaga sila guys, as in no more. And ito naman wala, naubos na. Ay, and siniset ko siya ng Nichido brow gel. Tingnan naman, wala na talaga. Brow gel in a shade of brunette. Favorite ko to. Pag nilagay nyo to sa brows, so parang nag-brighten up yung face mo. And next nang wala na ako is, ito yung everyday na ginagamit ko for my face. Especially going outside. Ito yung Mary Kay Botanical Effects SPF 30 UVA Sunscreen Protection. High protection. Meron pa tayong high protection. Super favorite ko to. And then, wala siyang white cast. But then, later on, parang mahapdi na siya sa mata. But But then, ginagamit ko siya parate. I-set mo lang talaga ng powder. And okay na siya. And, ang current ko na ginagamit ngayon, hindi pa siya empties, yung Cetaphil na SPF 50. Super fave ko siya, guys, din. Ito, naging favorite ko talaga din to. And, next is the, alam nyo naman na meron ako ni-review na Misaki Rejuvenating Set. Wala na talaga sila. Rejuvenating Cream. And, sunscreen. SPF. Favorite ko tong sunscreen nila, guys. Obsessed ako sa sunscreen. At saka Misaki toner. So, wala na talaga silang laman. Naubos ko na siya. Thank you. And, last na ata to. Yung last na empties ko is itong Clarins SPF 50 Day Screen Multi-Protection. Maliit lang siya, guys, pero alam mo, matagal siya sa akin kasi nilalagay ko lang siya dito sa aking eye area. Because, meron akong secret. Kasi kapag nilagay ko to sa aking eye area na sunscreen, kasi lightweight tong formula na to, paglagay ko rin ng concealer, super ganda ng finish niya. Yung concealer ko na, yung Catrice, ang ganda ng combination nila. Kasi yung Catrice, siya, guys, parang full coverage. Ang ng coverage na madali siyang mag-crease. So, pina-partner na I discovered na pag nilagyan ko nito and then yung concealer ko sa eye area, hindi nag-crease. And super ganda ng finish niya for everyday look. Maganda rin sa clients. Pero, yes, na-try ko na to siya sa mga photoshoot din. So, yan ang mga empties ko, guys. And, for the concealer, again, 3 na pala tong mga concealer na nandito. Yan, wala na sila. Yung natira na lang sa akin is yung yung brown, orange, at saka yung green, yung mga correctors and pang contour. The rest is lana. And wala na pala, ito pala, guys, meron pa ako pahabol. Ito siya, yung Everbelena na liquid eyeliner. And that's it for my empties, guys. Ang short naman ng video na to, but I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope na meron tayo nagkuhang konting idea for this video. And guys, every Monday, I'm uploading makeup tutorials. So I hope you're going to visit for those makeup enthusiasts out there na subscriber ko. Every Monday, meron akong ginagawa makeup tutorial, and Wednesday, meron tayong ginagawang Mask Wednesday, and in between our vlogs or makeup related videos or mommy stuff. So, I upload Monday to Friday. I hope you're going to support my channel, and again, guys, thank you so much for your support. Naging 4,700 na yata tayo ngayon. So, I hope you're going to still support my channel and share to your friends and keep fighting. Keep it up. All I can say to you guys, especially in this time of pandemic, please stay positive. Look at the bright side. Huwag niyong i-condemn yung darkness or yung namumuong pangit sa sa isipan niyo. Stay focused on the things that you are really passionate about. Huwag kayong magpa-persuade sa mga negative na nangyayari outside. Always think positive. I'm not perfect for that, but I tried my best to focus on the brighter things or the positive things. Please continue to pray as well for our nation, for our leaders, and as well as in our situation, and for all those people na affected ng COVID-19. Tayo lahat, and lalo na yung na-infected ng virus. I hope everything will be well, and God bless wherever you are, and I hope that you're going to stay blessed. And thank you, guys. Please keep on praying, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye for now. See you in my next video. Stay safe. Sarang he.